Good morning, guys. Today is my birthday today, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do today. So this morning so far I've gotten 5 balloons. I'm gonna show you guys, it's up here. And my brother got them for me, and he got me a purple one because he knows like that's my favorite color. So I got that, and then I also got some chocolate. If you guys don't know, Merci chocolate is like the best like English chocolate ever. I'm half English, so he got me these and they taste great. And then he just gave me breakfast in bed just now, and these are like crispy waffles. Like, they're so amazing. So I'm going to start with that, and I'm gonna just take you guys along with me for the day and like what I do and everything. So yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, so update so far. I have my outfit now that I'm gonna wear. So this is what it looks like. It's this dress from Fashion Nova. It has this gold chain at the top. It's multicolored. It is so beautiful, and it's very long, as you guys can see. Like, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be wearing this when we go out to lunch right now, and a few when we leave. So this is what I chose for my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys my makeup in a second. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathroom. I just did my eye makeup as well. I'm going to show you guys. So this is my eye look. I haven't put on foundation yet, but I use the Born This Way On The Run palette. Let me see if I can show you guys and open it real quick. So this is what the palette looks like. I use the color Baja on the lid right there, that orange tone. And I used Guilt Trip, that purple on the inner corner. And then I used Punk, that brown shade on the outer crease area. So that's what this palette looks like. And I absolutely love like how my makeup turned out, because as I told you guys, my dress is like multicolored. And so I didn't know what color to use, so I tried to go for bright colors. So that's my eye look right now. And mascara, I put on the, what's it called? The Milk mascara. It looks like this, the Milk Kush mascara. That's what it was like, sample size. I haven't figured out what I'm going to put on my lips yet, but I have a lipstick and a lip liner that I can use, but it doesn't really go with the colors I'm doing, so I might do like a neutral color. I'm thinking this one by NARS. It's just a sample one. This one right here, but I don't know if you guys can see the color. Let me show you guys. It's like just a neutral, like light brown. You guys can see that? So I don't know, maybe I should use this color, I don't know. But I'll decide. So I'm going to put my outfit on so you guys can see how everything looks right now. So see you guys. Hi guys, so I am finally ready. So you guys see the completed look here. So I decided to do my hair like a half up, half down look. I don't know if you guys can see it. This dress, like I mentioned before, is from Fashion Nova. It is multicolored. It is long. It has a huge slit on the left side, so you can get some, like, see some leg a little bit. But this dress is so gorgeous. I've actually got it like, I don't know, 2 years ago, but I've never worn it, so I thought this would be the perfect time to wear it. And it ties right here at the waist, goes all the way down. And I'm going to show you guys my shoes real quick. These white shoes, I don't know if you can see the other shoe, oh my goodness. Okay, these white shoes are from Shein, like that, and they're white, and they have like a gold emblem on it, and I thought it was just perfect for this outfit. This dress is just so darling. As you guys can see, this is the back of it. So this is my outfit, and we're going to be leaving in a few, so I will see you guys on the way there. Hello guys, so we are here. We're at our restaurant. It's my mom and my brother with me. And we're going in. It's seasons 52, so I'm super excited.
There's wood grilled shrimp and grits.
Wood grilled shrimp sounds good. This is what I chose.
Without the grits?
This is the menu.
Yeah, ask if they can make it.
And I got a lemon water.
So that's what you want.
So we're starting off with lobster bisque soup with chives, and it also comes with some like crackers on the side. So this is my starter, and then I'll show you guys when I get my entree. And we all got the same thing. My brother got the same, and my mom got the same. So let's dig in. All right, guys, our food is here. Okay, so this one is the wood grilled shrimp and grits without the grits. This is the half rotisserie chicken with asparagus, and then this one is the asparagus with mashed potatoes and filet mignon. So that's what we're gonna eat right now. We're gonna share it actually, so let's go. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
21 all over again.
Thank you, thank you. Hey guys, so we are finished eating, and right now we're actually on our way to the beach, which is literally like 5 minutes away from here. And yeah, I mean, I'm wearing a super nice outfit, but hopefully it won't get too sandy. So we're probably just gonna walk the boardwalk and just walk around and enjoy the ocean waves. So that's where we're headed to next. So I'll see you guys at the beach.
This is how we do it all night. Reason down the freeway. Just me and my baby.
Hi guys, so we are here. This is my view right now. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Isn't this breathtaking? Like, this is absolutely stunning and so peaceful. Like, wow. Yeah, because I opted for the Cove, so this is where we're at, and it's like nothing makes me happier than seeing the water and just seeing how calm it is and so relaxing it is. So nice, and we're like really high up too. Like, oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, just gonna enjoy the sound of the waves and just stand here and just capture the moment, you know. So yeah, enjoy this montage of me getting foot.
Big old dreams in real life.
Hey guys, so I got my Starbucks drink. I got a caramel frap because you already know Starbucks always gives out the free drinks. So this is the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this birthday vlog with me, and I'll see you guys in a new video.